Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of 5th standard. Hope you are all fine and feeling relaxed after exams. You know that with those exams, we completed our T1 syllabus, and inshallah, we will now take up our U2 syllabus, and that starts from chapter number 9 of your science textbook, that's from light and shadows. Today, we will learn about the concept of light, its different aspects, and its importance. So, before discussing the main topic, I request all of you to open your textbooks on page number 116, where the concept is given. So, moving towards the definition of light, here I have highlighted light is a form of energy which helps us to see the things around us. लाइट जिसको हम उर्दू में रोशनी कहते हैं, ये एक टाइप होती है, किस्म होती है एनर्जी की, तवानाई की, जिसकी मदद से हम डिफरेंट चीज़ें देख पाते हैं इस दुनिया में। जो डिफरेंट चीज़ें हैं लाइक डिफरेंट पर्सन्स, थिंग्स, बुक्स, पेंसिल्स, पेन्स, डिफरेंट थिंग्स वी सी विद द हेल्प ऑफ लाइट। ओके, प्लस वी ऑल्सो नीड आर आइज़, हमें आँखों की ज़रूरत होती है इन सब चीज़ों को देखने के लिए। इन ऑर्डर टू सी द कलरफुल वर्ल्ड वी नीड लाइट प्लस आइज़। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ आई टॉक ऑफ ए ब्लाइंड पर्सन, एक अंधा आदमी, इफ़ वी प्रोवाइड अ लॉट ऑफ लाइट, enormous light is available, but still he will not be able to see the things because his eyes are not normal. एंड इफ़ आई टॉक ऑफ ए नॉर्मल पर्सन, अगर कोई ऐसा इंसान है जिसकी आइज़ नॉर्मल है बट स्टिल देयर इज़ डार्कनेस, वहाँ पे अंधेरा है, लाइट अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है, तो वो इंसान डिफरेंट चीज़ों को नहीं देख पाएगा। ठीक है, सो फॉर डिफरेंट थिंग्स टू विजुअलाइज वी नीड लाइट प्लस आइज़। लाइट और आइज़ की ज़रूरत होती है। नाउ सेकेंड इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न हियर इज़ दैट लाइट जो है इट ऑलवेज ट्रैवल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन। लाइट कभी भी zigzag path ट्रैवल नहीं करती है, इट ऑलवेज ट्रैवल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन। तो तीन चीज़ें आपने यहाँ पे सीखी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, लाइट इज़ अ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी एंड इट हेल्प्स अस टू सी थिंग्स अराउंड अस। ठीक है, नंबर थर्ड, इट ऑलवेज ट्रैवल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन। नाउ टॉकिंग ऑफ द सोर्सेज, आई मीन लाइट हमें कहाँ से प्रोवाइड होती है। I have here categorized the light sources into two types, that is a natural and artificial. This very classification is not given in your book, but it is very important for you people to learn that there are two sources of light, that is the natural sources and artificial sources. Natural sources हुए वही sources जो naturally present होते हैं और वो हमें light provide करती है। For example, sunlight, ठीक है, our radiant energy, our solar energy. This very energy is present right from the beginning of life. बहुत पहले से, जब से ये दुनिया बनी तब से सनलाइट प्रेजेंट है, जिसका जो क्रिएटर है गॉड ऑलमाइटी, तो हम नहीं बना सकते हैं वो लाइट ऑफ आवर ओन। Now there is the artificial sources of light, like there are different things which provide light and we prepare those things artificially. For example, candles, bulbs, then torches, different things are there which are present artificially and they also provide us light. Artificial sources of light are also important when there is absence of sunlight. For example, during winters, when there is cloudy weather, during the night, we use these artificial sources of light. हम यूज़ करते हैं जब डार्कनेस होती है, कभी कभार इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं होती है, पावर नहीं होता है, तो हम आर्टिफिशियल सोर्सेज ऑफ लाइट यूज़ करते हैं। तो आपने यहाँ पे जाना कि सोर्सेज जहाँ पे लाइट हमें मिलती है वो दो होते हैं, नेचुरल सोर्सेज एंड आर्टिफिशियल सोर्सेज। नाउ लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स द थर्ड क्लासिफिकेशन, रादर टुवर्ड्स द सेकंड क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ related with this concept, that is the light. Here different objects which are present in this world, they have been categorized into two types. ठीक है, luminous objects and non-luminous objects. Luminous objects are those objects which provide us light. कोई भी चीज़ जहाँ से लाइट आएगी, which provide light, which emits light, उनको हम luminous objects बोलते हैं, like sun, bulb, torch, candle, anything which provides light, that's included in this very category, that's the luminous objects. Now we have non-luminous objects, like anything which is not providing us light, like book, pen, tree, vessel, etc. They are the non-luminous objects. Now moving towards your page number 116, here you have given different things, and you have to write luminous, L for luminous thing and N for non-luminous thing. Here I have completed the task and you are going to complete this page number after completion of this video. You just write L for luminous. For example, I will make you understand by taking the first example here. Here it's the bulb and it's a luminous object because it provides us light. I have written here L. And here's a book, it's non-luminous, so I have written here N. So you will write letter L for luminous and letter N for non-luminous objects. ठीक है, चलिए. Now moving towards your page number 117. Here it's something more is written about light. Here the writer is saying that अगर आप किसी रूम में जाओगे जहाँ पे डार्कनेस होगी तो you will not be able to see different things unless you have some availability of light there. For example, if you take a candle with you or any other light emitting source, तो जिसकी वजह से आपको चीज़ें दिखेंगी. ठीक है. Then here it is written that light always travels in a straight line and it is a form of energy, and light has different sources. As I already told you in the start of this lecture, that natural sources and artificial sources of light. Now here's an important fact store column. Facts are very important in science. Here it is written that light takes around 8 minutes to travel from the sun to the earth. It travels at 30,000 km per second. अगर मैं आपको बोलूँगी कि ये जो सन और अर्थ के बीच में बहुत सारी डिस्टेंस है, ठीक है, but light takes only 8 minutes to reach from sun to earth. How is it possible? Because light travels very fast, very quickly. Here it is written that it travels at a rate of 30,000 kilometers per second. हर किसी सेकंड में ये जो लाइट है ये 30,000 kilometers क्रॉस करती है in order to reach the earth. That's why it only takes 8 minutes to travel from sun to the planet earth. So this is all about the concept of light. I told you that light is a type of energy and it helps us to see the different things around us, and there are different sources of light like natural sources and artificial sources of light. I also told you that light always travels in a straight line. Then we classified objects on the basis of whether they provide light or not into luminous and non-luminous objects. So this is all about today's lecture. Hope you have enjoyed this lecture, and if you find any difficulty you can text me on my number. Thank you.